Here's a custom bike jersey made with the look of the airplane pilot. Got the tie, got the wings, some pockets, stripes, and you can get custom designs like this made at bikingthings.com.